Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment on the section down below if you find the video informative, and if you have anything to say, just do comment on the section down below. So guys, today we are here and to talk about Facebook as to how do you get imali from Facebook. Most of the people were asking me ukuthi okay bafethu ngihlangene nginibona nenza ama video ke njalo ke kuma platforms nithola kanjani imali, particularly on Facebook, because ke kunabantu ke abathola imali ke ku Facebook. Uthola ukuthi ke labo abanawo ngisho nama followers amaningi, yabo, but then ke they are making money on Facebook. Into ke eyenzakalayo, I'll tell you izinto ke ezu7 noma indlela ezu7 nami ke engithema ngithi ke ngiyasesha nje simple summarized, yabo, ngathola ukuthi ke izona ke ezingakusiza ukuthi ke uthole ke imadlana ke lapha ku Facebook, noma ke kwesinye isikhathi ke kudemand ukuthi ke you have to work very hard, you have to always be umuntu ke o-active ngempela ke kulama platforms lawo, just to get leyo mali leyo ngale ndlela leyo ocabanga ukuthi ke noma usuke ufisa ukuthi ke ugcine ke ene ngayo. Aske so uma ke sibheka lapha okay, people can make money kuma platforms ahlukahlukene, but then again here we are specific, we talk about Facebook. People can make money from Facebook in several ways. So here are some of those methods ongenza ngakhona ke imali. Kunento ke ebizwa ngama Facebook stars, ama stars lapha ke you earn through ama stars. Ama stars ke it's like unikeza ama gift by abantu, so it's a token in the form of ama stars on Facebook. So ama content creators lawa asuke engakabi nama followers amaningi, futhi asuke engakafiki kahle kusigaba sokuba monetized, usually they get ama stars. These content creators earn money by receiving stars from their followers during ama live streams or ama post enziwayo through ama video. So uthola ukuthi okay, we record a video prior before you post lapha, yabo. So each star lapho ke, if ever mhlawumbe ake ngithi unama followers awu700, if ever wonke lawo ama followers lawo ewu700 kanjalo ekupha ke i-star kuthiwa ke si worth u$1 yabo. So yeah, kuyakheka kanjalo ke imali through ama stars on Facebook. That's number 1. Number 2, kunama streams lapha ke in stream ads. So that means ama adverts lawo sesiwabona. If you check lapha ke on Facebook, mhlawumbe ke let's say you were watching a video, and then at the same time uthole ke ukuthi sekuyabala lapha ukuthi ke okay, in how many seconds kuzoba ne video noma kuzoba ne ad evelayo. So in stream ads ke by enabling ads in their videos, ama creators lawo, okay, you enable ads kuma videos akho, so that means you can earn revenue based on the number of ama views and also ama engagements asuke ekhona enziwe. This one seems like it's an exact thing, njengoba ke kwenzeka na ku YouTube nakhona futhi ke kwenzeka kanjalo. They run ama ads to ama video yakho or video yakho osukwenzile noma ku live bakho, and then ke bese uthola ukuthi ke you are earning based on ama streams abantu or ama engagements enziwa abantu. By ama engagements isikhuluma mhlawumbe ngabantu ukulike kwe video, ama views abantu, yabo, ama comments, yonke leyo nto leyo i-counter as ama engagements. And then bese siba number 3 lapha sithena ke fan subscriptions. Creators can offer exclusive content to their most engaged followers through a monthly subscription service. Kunabantu ke angenza ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uthola ukuthi ke wena as a content creator they ba abantu ke ngizothi ama followers lawa ke athembakele, alandelela kakhulu i-content yakho and futhi ke afisa ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi if you are posting something benza ukuthi ke lokhu ngana i-notification ibe active if ukuthi wena nje uyaposta something they are notified yabo njalo ngaso sonke isikhathi because a notification bell is always on by their side. So this is what they are doing by ama subscriptions ke khona ke abantu futhi uthola ukuthi ke kunemali enyangeni mhlambe yabo enyangeni your loyal followers bayazi ukuthi ke kunemali ke ngaso sonke isikhathi ke abayikhiphayo just for ukuthi ke they subscribe to i-content yakho nokuthi ke vele each and every time nje if you are posting something and they are there and futhi ke ngaso sonke isikhathi bayawabuka lawo ma video and through lawo ma subscriptions by ama fans akho you stand a chance to earn lapho each and every month ke ngawo lawo ma subscription noma ngayo leyo service. Okay guys, there is also branded content. So if you number 4 there, one of the ways to earn money on Facebook. So branded content, partnering with ama brands to create a sponsored post or videos can be a lucrative way to earn money. So this is one of the ways futhi ukuthi usebenzisane nama brands mhlambe let's say nje kune clothing brand oyaziyo yangakini and then they approach you based on mhlambe ukuba active kwakho kakhulu beside ama views yabo ukuba active kwakho epage lakho then ke futhi uthola ukuthi usuna ama followers yabo i-followership yakho uthola ukuthi i-reasonable enough ukuthi ke bengakwazi ukusebenzisana nawe. Izintweni eziningi ke uzothi ma uposta ivele futhi naleyo brand uthola ukuthi futhi mhlambe kwesinye isikhathi they are sponsoring ama post akho kwesinye isikhathi ke they give you imali yabo by sponsoring ama post akho ke that means ukusebenzisana kwakho naleyo brand kunani kunemfalakahlana oyitholayo uma wenza ama video akho mhlambe nabo uthola ukuthi bagcine futhi ke ingathi mhlambe bagcine nabo be assist uma wenza ke ama video lawo osuke uzowaposta because kune brand yabo phakathi. Okay, so number 5 ke enye indlela ke zokwazi ukena on Facebook. Facebook marketplace. This is where you sell or selling items directly to other users on Facebook. A marketplace is a straightforward way to make money. So uma umuntu odayisayo, you can also use a layer platform Leana as a way of earning money on Facebook. So uma siya ke ku number 6, Facebook shops. Kunezinto ebizwa ngana Facebook shops. Business can promote laphana ke can set up a shop on their Facebook page to sell products directly to their audience. So by the time let's say you are busy with something kune content odila nayo ngaleso sikhathi, but then at the same time you divert to udayisa leyo nto leyo mhlambe ushuthe ne video bese ke uyayidayisa leyo nto direct to ama customer akho and then ke kwi audience yakho. So abantu abasuke bekubuka while bekubuka labo bantu laba you are selling at the same time ke uveze leyo product leyo oyidayisayo. Khona ke abantu ke abakwazi ukuthi ke be engage nawe ngaleso sikhathi to buy leyo product. Number 7 enye indlela ongakwazi ukena ngayo on Facebook, it's affiliate marketing. So this is promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. So that's where abanye abantu abaningi bathola khona ukuthi ke athi umuntu ke okay bafethu ngidayisa mhlambe ngenza isibonelo ngidayisa ke mhlambe ngisebenzisana negarage elithile elidayisa imoto. But then ke mawufuna ukuyothenga imoto lapho please use this link mhlambe uyabo to find ama details, or use igama lami as i-reference yabo, so that ke if ufika kube lula ukuthi ke usizakale, just because ke you were referred by umuntu vele abamaziyo. By so doing omunye lo muntu lo ozosebenzisa ke igama lakhe i-referral leyo, uthola ukuthi ke lo muntu loyo uzoba umuntu ke if ever ugcina uyithenga leyo moto, uzoba umuntu ke othola ke i-commission ngaleyo ndlela. But then usually this happens ikakhulukazi ke kuma online stores, kubantu mhlawumbe futhi same time abadayisa ngemshwarense yonke leyo nto leyo. So that's how ke abantu ke abaningi be-earna ngakhona ke on Facebook, creating your own content and ube umuntu nje laphana ke, because abantu abaningi babona ukuthi bayahlanya ku-Facebook and they are doing all sorts of things. But then at the same time ukubaluleke kunakho konke ukuthi ke abantu ungakhohlwa ukuthi labantu laba benza zonke lezo zinto nje, yonke leyo content nje iyabaholela, futhi ke bagcine bekwazi ukwenza izinto ezibalulekile ngamasenti abawatholayo la on social media platforms. They are not just there to play ama games nje, to watch ama post begcine beshare kanjalo. Abanye ke abahlakaniphile sebenza ke lokhu manje sithi ke ucreator towards ama videos abasuke bewabuka. Umuntu angasagcini ngokubuka ivideo, but then at the same time uthi ebuka ivideo kodwa ke ebe reactor same time ke ayibuyisele back leyo video, but then sekunaye phakathi nayo iya reactor, and then ke uthola ukuthi ekuhambeni kwesikhathi lowo muntu loyo uzogcina se-earna ngokwenza kanjalo. And I prefer mina ukuthi abantu abaningi benze kanjalo, then ukugcina ngokubuka ivideo nje uthola ukuthi lo muntu obuka ivideo yakhe kune-ad lapha uya-earna ngalokho. So guys, azivuleni amehlo and try to use these platforms as a form of indlela, as a form of as a form of earning money yabo, as a form of umsebenzi yabo. So yeah, let's hope bafethu abanye beni bazokwazi ukusebenzisa lezi ndlela and ke sikwazi ukuxosha ikati lapha phezulu. Anyways bafethu, thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Do comment if you have anything to say la ngezansi. Ngibonge kakhulu bafethu.